In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a seller on Etsy quickly and easily. Whether you're looking for more information about a product or need to discuss customization options, reaching out to a seller is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through it. First, let's start by selecting a product that you're interested in. Imagine you're browsing Etsy and you stumble upon an item that catches your eye. It could be anything from a handcrafted necklace to a custom leather-bound journal. Once you've found something you like, go ahead and click on it to view more details. This leads us to the product page where you get a closer look at the item, including the description, price, and images. Now that you're on the product page, the next step is to scroll down a little until you locate the seller or shop's information. The seller section usually contains the name of the shop and other relevant details. It's where you can often learn a bit about the seller and the story behind their shops, lending a more personalized shopping experience. Once you found the seller's information, you'll notice a button that says Message Seller. Go ahead and click on that. Instantly, a chat box will appear at the lower right of your screen. This is your direct line to the seller, and you can type in your questions or comments regarding the product. It's a great feature if you want to inquire about shipping times, specific materials used, or any customizations. Additionally, there's another method to start a conversation. You can visit the seller's main page, which provides a broader overview of their shop and the variety of products they offer. Here, you'll scroll a bit until you find the Contact Shop Owner link. Clicking on this option performs a similar function. It opens up a chat box at the lower left corner of your screen, paving the way for a dialogue with the shop owner. These chat boxes offer a simple, convenient way to get in touch. Remember to be clear and courteous in your messages, as this promotes a positive interaction and helps the seller provide detailed, helpful responses. Whether you use the Message Seller option directly from the product page or the Contact Shop Owner link from the seller's main page, both methods are equally effective in establishing communication. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to message a seller on Etsy. I hope this tutorial has clarified the process and will aid you in making well-informed purchases or simply connecting with the artists and creators behind the products you love. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Etsy.